Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at something that I actually bought for my mom. She wanted a juicer that was really simple, and this one is basically just two pieces. So here it is right here, the top piece and the bottom piece. It's stainless steel. The brand is actually called Gogocow, and it's extremely affordable. I've got this on Amazon. I'll include the link below if you're interested. But all you got to do is grab either a lemon or orange or whatever. It's a citrus juicer. I'm sure you could probably use it for something else. The edges are a little sharper, but that's okay. I never got cut on this thing. It's really easy to use. One thing I hate, especially with juicers, is to have to clean a million different things after you're done. So right now there's only two. You've got a little strainer at the bottom of the top piece, so you can see the seeds and the pulp. You can keep the pulp if you'd like, but it catches the juices at the bottom, and then all you have to do is throw away the rind and clean off the top, and that's pretty much all there is to this thing. So the simplicity is awesome, the price is awesome. Not sure about the sturdiness. It seems to be holding up. We've used it a handful of times already. But if you have any questions or comments, just post it on down below.